Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Hackintosh using an easy method. We'll cover everything from selecting the right hardware to getting macOS up and running smoothly on your custom-built machine. This guide aims to simplify the process, helping you achieve a fully functional system. You'll learn about essential tools and configurations, making the journey straightforward and enjoyable. Let's dive in and transform your PC into a powerful macOS workstation. Choosing the right hardware is crucial for a successful Hackintosh. We recommend an Intel Core i-series processor, specifically from the 6th generation or newer, for broad compatibility. Pair this with a motherboard featuring a compatible chipset, such as the Z390 or B460 series. For graphics, an AMD Radeon card is often preferred due to its native support in macOS. Aim for at least 8 GB of RAM, though 16 GB is ideal for better performance. Now, let's create your macOS installer USB. First, download the latest macOS version from the Apple App Store onto a genuine Mac. Next, use a reliable utility, such as OpenCore, to prepare your USB drive. Ensure your USB drive, ideally 16 GB or larger, is formatted as macOS Extended journaled with a GUID partition map. Finally, copy all the essential bootloader files to the EFI partition on your newly created installer. This step is vital for booting into the macOS installation. After successfully installing macOS, the next step is post-installation setup and optimization. You'll need to install crucial drivers, often called KEXTs, for components like audio, network, and graphics to function correctly. Then, configure your bootloader to allow your system to start directly from your hard drive without the USB. Remember to update your macOS system cautiously, always backing up first to maintain stability. With these steps, you'll enjoy a fully functional and optimized macOS experience on your Hackintosh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.